Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're unboxing the Canon 50mm 1.8. Here we go. And there we have it, the Canon 50mm 1.8 lens. So this camera has a 49mm thread, and it's a prime lens or pancake lens. So that means that it's fixed, like it's not zooming. And this right here is the focus ring, so don't get a bit confused by the looks of a zoom. And one last thing, on the bottom of the package it comes with this little like plastic divider piece thing that the lens sits in, so it doesn't move around. So the unboxing is pretty nice and easy, but yeah, so the focal range goes down to 1.8, and also if you want to use it on a Canon EFM camera, you have to get an adapter. So I bought the Voltrox EF to EFM adapter. It's about $40 because the real Canon one is like almost 200, and that's more than the actual lens. So I thought I'll get an off-brand. So I'm gonna be unboxing that. I gotta say, this thing really does have some weight to it. Almost heavier than the actual lens itself. So here's the adapter. It has a little thread thing on this, so it balances the weight a lot easier. And it's pretty simple. You just put this on, oh, what is that? Get that out of there. Put this on your camera, and then you put the lens on here. So basically it just makes it so you can put an EF lens onto an EFM camera. And that's for the thread. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. And this is the Canon 50mm lens. Peace.